Ever wondered how you can contribute to sustainable farming right from your home? It's simpler than you think. Sustainable farming is all about maintaining balance, and aquaponics is a prime example. It's a method that marries fish and plants in a symbiotic relationship. Let's dive into the world of aquaponics, where fish and plants grow together in harmony. So, what exactly is aquaponics? At its core, aquaponics is a symbiotic dance of life between fish and plants. It's a system where the fish provide an organic food source for the plants through their waste products. In turn, the plants perform a spectacular natural trick. They filter the water, creating a clean and healthy environment for the fish to live in. This mutual give and take forms a harmonious cycle of growth and renewal. Sounds interesting, doesn't it? Well, it gets better. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of setting up your own aquaponic system. First things first, find the right location. You need a space that gets ample sunlight and is easy to access for maintenance. Next, choose your fish and plants. Leafy greens and tilapia are a popular choice for beginners. Now onto the hardware. You'll need a fish tank and plant beds. The tank is where your fish will live, and the plant beds will house your vegetation. Connect these with a water pump to circulate the nutrient-rich water from the fish tank to the plant beds. Maintenance is key. Regularly check the pH levels, feed your fish, and monitor plant growth. And there you have it, your very own sustainable garden. Imagine the satisfaction of growing your own food in a way that's not only sustainable but also immensely rewarding. Aquaponics melds the best of hydroponics and aquaculture, offering a green thumb's dream that's also an eco-warrior's weapon. It's a testament to how we can contribute to sustainable farming right in our backyards. So, why not try setting up your own aquaponic system? It's a journey filled with learning and growth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such informative content.